Hello, my name is Swissbianco. Today I would like to show you the brand new filework Swiss Army knives. These fileworked main blades were made by Stratton. You see, usually we have the plain backside. What we did was fileworking this part of the blade. Filework is made by hand by the US artist Stratton. He does this filework for a couple of years by now, and he is really a master of that art. So we did test it out on just a couple Swiss Army knives first, send it to Ibach, Switzerland for get it approved, and we of course got the factory approving for this kind of custom work, which really makes the Swiss Army knife looks nicer. So let me show you a couple of those examples that we did so far. This is a blue farmer Swiss Army knife. That is basically the 93mm standard blade. Then we did a couple of the Alox Rambler for use the small blade. See how that looks. It's still really nice on this small blade. Then the 84mm, this one is a black limited edition Alox Lumberjack. You clearly see the grooves, the different grooves of the filework. And the last ones we did, they just came in, is the 111mm, like this limited edition Stay Glow, plain edge, corkscrew version. And we also did one of the plain edge Swiss Army knives, the issued new Swiss Army knife. This filework is custom made by Stratton. He is a US maker. He does that for a couple of years by now, and all this work, as with anything that we do by Swissbianco, is factory authorized and warranted.